Yo guys, I know you guys know the feeling of when car parts are coming in. And today, I got a really special car part coming in, and I'm super excited. I'm over here rushing at work, trying to get done so I can get home and open the package. But man, let's get the day over with so we can go home and check it out. Woo-hoo! Can't wait. Yo, I just got off of work. I just cleaned the loot a couple of days ago. It rained this morning and it's doo-doo, baby. Oh man, they got me. They got me real good. I think that's it. Look at the other side. Well, if they did, it's the white, so you can't really see any burn. Well, shoot, let's get home and check out what we got. Yeah. Yo, look how big this package is. Dang. All right, so this is the package we got today. It's from Japan. You can tell by these authentic Japanese stickers. Woo. So these are actually headlights for the Civic, and I was really surprised that the box is so huge because yo, look at it, like what the heck. But that's the thing I've noticed so far. Every time I order parts from Japan, they always package it really well, so I'm glad that they put extra effort into making it nice and protected, because I'd hate to get my packages with it potentially being damaged, you know. And these headlights were not cheap. They cost me an arm and a leg. An arm for the part itself and a leg for shipping. Did y'all hear that? It's so windy. It's knocking out everyone's trash cans. Sheesh. You know this is, oh no, it flew away. Ah. You know this is super legit when they go ham on the packaging over here. So these are the Civic Type R headlights. I'm currently on the Civic. I got the Acura CSX headlights. To put it in simpler terms, this is the FD1 front end headlights, and this is the FD2 headlights. FD2 is the Civic Type R. So I only found this out recently, but there's a difference between the headlights. They're very similar. The only difference is that FD2 headlights have like more black accents, and apparently it just looks a lot better. I guess we'll find out. Here's the unveil of the JDM Civic Type R headlights. Woo! Oh, yo, look, it already has like a freaking LED light bulb in there. Okay. Yo, these look super good. Like, wow. I think it looks a lot better. So like I mentioned earlier, these headlights were not cheap. I did get them for a good price. Brand new, they go for about $1,000 plus shipping. I got this for about half the price. But shipping from Japan, let's just say it was at least half the price. It was pretty crazy when they told me what the shipping cost was, and I was like, whoa, what the heck? Well, I already paid for the headlights, so I guess I gotta follow through with shipping. So pretty much instead of paying $1,000 for brand new headlights, I got these for $750. And what's so unique about this one is that the seller had like taken this apart, they cleaned it all up and treated this lens on the outside and inside, because apparently on all the Civics, the American versions, the JDM versions, the Canadian versions, they tend to get foggy on the inside. Apparently the light gets really hot and it just like, it fogs up on the inside. So they had treated it, so I shouldn't have that issue. Hopefully I don't have that issue in the future. And on top of treating the headlight cover, they also painted this like an amber color because it's an American thing. If you didn't know, it's weird that here in America, we all want JDM parts, and in Japan, they all want American parts. Pretty crazy, right? Yeah. All right, let's stop wasting time. Let's take off the headlights and throw on the Civic Type R headlights. Woohoo! Yo, it started to get really cold because of the freaking wind. Like, the cold isn't bad, but when it gets windy, whew, it does not make working on cars enjoyable. So this is the FD1 headlight, and this is the FD2 headlight I just picked up. So it's a very subtle difference. See, it just looks more darker on the rim right here, whereas this is all chrome. And we got the smoked amber turn signal. This one is chrome. A lot of people would try to sell these FD1 headlights. They'll try to sell it as a FD2 headlight. These could easily go for like 500 bucks plus. Like I said, brand new, these are $1,000. Whereas the FD1, these are probably worth like, I'd say about $300, $350. So it's almost a $200 difference, if not more. So if you're looking into doing the FD conversion, make sure you know the difference between headlights. Otherwise, someone might sell you something that isn't really the Type R style, if that's what you're going for. So it looks like they added something in here, like a light bulb. I don't think it worked on here because this doesn't have anything back there, really. Not that I see. So maybe this is just for show. Ha! Oh, okay, this has like an LED. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me give you guys some better lighting. Can you make it out? It has like a LED strip in there. Whoa, okay, okay. Another cool thing about these headlights is that they come with auto leveling. It's this bottom one. But I have no idea how I would hook that up. And if I was able to hook it up, these are designed for, you know, right-hand drive, so it wouldn't be correct anyways. Oh well. But shoot, let's put these headlights on.
10 seconds later.
Dang. I mean, it really looks like I just switched to black housing headlights, but it looks nice. But y'all, check this out. It's so windy that the freaking wind blew that trash can all the way into the middle of the street. This one's knocked over, and I'm freaking shivering. Oh, well, anyways, let me show you guys the headlights. It looks more aggressive in my opinion. You know, chrome is more luxury, and then the black just makes it look more sporty like. You know, I think I gotta finer out this. We gotta make this black. But yo, the Civic is coming along nicely. Yee! So it took me a minute, but I figured out how to get these wired up. These aren't turn signals, these are like daytime running lights or whatever. So this one and this one will always stay on while the e-brake is down. Not bad at all. I was kind of hoping that this was a turn signal because it's orange, but it's whatever, it's all good. Still looks pretty cool. Yee. So yep, these are the Civic Type R headlights. What do y'all think about them? I absolutely love them, man. I do not regret paying the money I paid for to have these shipped from Japan and have them on my car. But what do y'all think? Do y'all think that these look a lot better than the FD headlights? Comment down below and let me know what you think. But alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm always excited and happy to get things from Japan. They never disappoint with packaging, and the quality is always on point. Bye guys, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah!